Hi guys, this is my JavaScript tutorial video. Through this video sessions, you will be able to learn the JavaScript from fundamentals in an easy way. Nowadays, JavaScript is becoming one of the popular languages and lot of people are learning JavaScript to develop front-end and back-end applications. So these video sessions will be helpful for you as a beginner to learn JavaScript from the scratch. So let's start the first tutorial session video, Introduction to JavaScript. Why study JavaScript as a web developer? JavaScript is one of the three languages that every web developer must know. First one is HTML, that is used for creating static web page, that is used to define the content of the web page. It will only create your web page as a static one. CSS, that is going to add font color, font style to your web page, that is going to specify the layout of the web page. This JavaScript, that is going to program the behavior of the web page. It is going to make the program dynamic and interactive. That's why we need JavaScript as a web developer. About JavaScript, JavaScript is called as a scripting language. It is not called as a programming language. What scripting language means? Scripting language means it is a small piece of code that is written in a file that is being capable of executed without being compiled. The code, that is the script code, is not compiled, it is interpreted. That is what scripting means. Now let's look in detail scripting versus programming. Scripting means it is totally interpreter based. Programming means that is compiler based. We are going to add script code, that is small piece of code, into the HTML file. So it is going to combine the existing component. Whereas the programming means you have to write the entire program from the scratch. So in case of scripting, the maintenance is going to be very much less. In case of programming, it is going to be high maintenance. So very less time you can spend in writing a scripting. Lot of time has to be spent for writing a programming language. So there is no need for compilation in case of scripting. There is a need of compilation in case of programming. You does not create any new file. You are going to add some script code to the existing HTML file. In case of programming, you are going to create a new file, new exe file you are going to create. So scripting is going to be a small piece of code, whereas programming is going to be a full piece of code. So the example of scripting is JavaScript, PHP, Ruby, Perl, etc. Example for programming is C, C++, Java, Pascal, etc. are the example of the programming languages. Moving on to the advantages of the JavaScript. JavaScript is mainly used for client-side data validation. That is checking the file name, password, for a number of alphabets, etc. that can be checked by means of the JavaScript. It makes our web page more dynamic and interactive. JavaScript can also used for developing the server-side applications supported by all the major browsers, and JavaScript provide full integration to the HTML and CSS. Moving on to the JavaScript uses. JavaScript code that is capable of adding new HTML element. You can add new HTML element. You can create a pop-up box, dialog boxes that will be helpful for interacting with the users, get input from the users. All that can be done with the help of the JavaScript. You can validate with the help of the JavaScript. You can upload or download files, and you can set or get cookies and ask questions to the visitors and show messages, and remember the data on the client side, that is temporary storage, can also be done with the help of this JavaScript. This is about the uses of the JavaScript. Moving on to the syntax of the JavaScript. So you can add the JavaScript code to the HTML file, or else you can create the JavaScript in a separate file. So there are two ways in for creating the JavaScript. So the first syntax is writing the JavaScript in the HTML code itself. So let's see that syntax. Script type equal to text/JavaScript. Write the code here /script. Here the type is an attribute that specify the type of the file. So this is one way for creating the JavaScript. Another way is this 2 lines you have to add to the HTML document, and you have to create another file, that is you have going to store the script code, that is file name.js, that is going to hold the script code, and these 2 lines you have to add to the HTML file and add the file name here, so that at the time of running the file will be added to this HTML file and it will be running on the web page. So these two syntaxes, any of these two syntaxes can be followed for creating the JavaScript. Now we can learn simple program for of the JavaScript, printing a line in the web page. The command used is document.write welcome to JavaScript. Here the document means it is an object that allows the script programmer to specify the text is to be displayed. Write, that is a method that is used to write the line of the HTML document. Some key points: you can write a string in the JavaScript either with a double quotes or a single quotes. For comments, you can use single line comments, you can use double front slash. For multi-line comments, you can use this one or else this one. All the statements within the script must end with a semicolon, and for string concatenation purpose, you can use plus operator. So these are all some key points you have to note before going into the JavaScript code. So now let's get into the basic JavaScript code to print a line on the web page. So we are writing the code now. So this is our HTML code and we are adding the script in the head part. HTML head, and the title of the program is going to be simple JavaScript. We are closing the title. Script type equal to text/JavaScript. Document.write, we are using the document.write command and we are going to print the welcome to JavaScript program. We are closing the script, closing the head, body/HTML. So our output that is going to be printed in the web browser is welcome to JavaScript. So let's see the sample. Here now I am using the Notepad++. In Notepad++ I have typed the code, basic simple program that is used to print the line on the web page. Now in the browser, let's see the result of this code, welcome to JavaScript. Here you have to give the file name and then the code will be printed on the web page. The result will be printed on the web page. Next, moving on to the next program, printing the multiple lines on a single statement. Using the document.write itself, how to print multiple lines. That is what this code is about. Let's see it. HTML head, title, simple JavaScript program, script type equal to text/JavaScript, document.write, welcome to BR. BR means break, that is used to start the new line. If you want to start the new line, then you have to give break command. Break JavaScript, break programming, /script/head, body, we are closing the body and we are closing the HTML. So output is going to be welcome JavaScript programming. So each one is going to be printed on the new lines. So for printing the multiple lines, you are going to use break in case in JavaScript. Now let's see this in an example. So in Notepad, I have typed the code, and in browser we are typing the file name, mentioning the path here, and the output is printed in the web page. This is our web page. Welcome to JavaScript programming. So in new line, the output is printed with the help of the break command. So this is the end of the first tutorial. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching it. Watch the next video to continue more scripting. Thank you.